Hello again, it's TR from T-Man Performance. I wanted to show you a new product that we're very proud of here at T-Man Performance. This is our new oil mist catch can. This was designed to work with our oil tank vent line kit, which comes off of the dipstick tube here. And if you're familiar with our stuff, it runs up over the back here with a directional valve, and then it would run back here with just to a filter. But you know, over the last couple years, we've had people say, hey, you know, we are getting a little mist out of there because it is a breather. You know, regardless of whose kit you're using, you're going to get some oil out of these things because they are a breather. So what we ended up doing is designing this catch can, and how it works. You can see right here, it's a very nice piece. It bolts right onto the existing rear strut on the two lugs that is on the struts. Now this will be for 09 to present bikes, Milwaukee 8 or twin cams. And the way it's designed, it has a front plate on it, which you can see right here, which screws on. And then what it is, the vent off of the oil tank comes in and it goes in, and what it does, it has to run through all these here little channels, and what that does, that breaks up the oil mist and the oil. And then the way it's located, everything runs back to the bottom here. And as you can see right here on the bottom, we have a drain so that you can drain these things, so you don't have to take nothing apart. There's a nice little drain on the bottom. And then if you come over to the back side, we put the returns on the back side of the catch can, which you can see right up underneath here. Can you get to that, Sierra? Mm-hmm. And as you can see here, then it routes back up, and then we put it underneath the side cover with our little red filter. So this is something that we think will be a very nice piece for the guys who want to clean that area up. Like I say, it does clean up all the mist. And what's really nice about this situation is we do have a bracket, if you can see right here. Now this one here does have the extra bracket on it because this customer had lights in his aftermarket lights in his frame rails. Now the original one, you do not need the bracket if you're running like a CVO or something like this. Just with aftermarket lights do you need the bracket, and what it does, it moves it forward to gives you clearance here. And as you can see here, this has the T-Man swing arm on it. We've also designed it to where it's at an angle, so if you run our swing arm and run it in the back position, there is no clearance issues with it. We've kept this on the same angle as the shock. So everything, I think you'll find, it comes with the fittings, the catch can, and the additional hoses. If you've already got our transmission, our oil pan vent line kit, you just would adapt that into it. Now, what's nice about it, this will also work with your fueling, with all your other individuals out there who are making the breather kits. All you would have to do is possibly change a fitting size for the hose size that is running off of the other type of breather. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. These things will be available in Sturgis at the HPI booth. They are located at Black Hills Harley-Davidson. I do not think they're installing them, but if you would like one, they will have some there for you to take a look at. So any questions, please let us know. Thank you very much.